everybody, it is me, Thomas, and today I'm gonna be doing my subscriber special, my 9 subscriber special. So, yeah, this is the decorated play button, aka the shiny play button, and you know what's cool? It is not fake. It's real, guys. It is actually real. It is true. So to celebrate that, I'm going to throw Creepy in the air. Yay! I'm going to show you guys a piggy. Yay! And guys, I can't wait to, and I'm also going to show you Pika-Dog.
Okay, that's
And
enough, like,
Pikachu. Bye-bye, Pikachu. And
the fire guy.
the dinosaur.
Goes with the stick box
And Yoshi Amiibo. Yoshi Amiibo. So guys, you know earlier I said it's real. Psych! It is not real. I even got creepy.